The first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy all this code, and then we're going to create a new function called delete user. And what I would ask you to do as well is that I'm sure you can imagine this is going to be a similar setup as the other 3 videos. So what I would say is challenge yourself, stop the video here, do the whole thing, and then come back, and if something doesn't work, I'll show you how to fix it in my version. So yeah, go ahead and do that now. All right, so look at this. Let's go ahead and save. And then let's go over to the else if here. And we're now going to add an else if for event.http method equal to delete. And so we're going to say delete user in DynamoDB. And we're going to copy these 2 lines and add a semicolon to this. I missed it last time. And then we're going to say handle delete user by ID. This is just going to be passed a user ID. That's all it needs. And then we should be good to go. So let's create this now. API.handle delete user by ID. And then we're going to say table name. I think this one's going to be a key. User ID equal to user ID. Instead of item as an argument, we're going to pass user ID. So now it knows what table, and it also knows what user ID. And then we're going to resolve or reject. We'll add a delete here. And then let's confirm the syntax in the documentation. So we'll look inside of here for delete. There we go. So we can see we have a key and table, and then we have the dot delete. So that looks like all we need. So that looks like our code is good to go. Let's save it. And let's go ahead and set up API gateway. So we're going to create a new method, excuse me, and then we're going to hit delete. Then we're going to select the delete and hook it up to our delete Lambda. We're going to select proxy integration. We're going to say delete user. And then now we're going to, once this is confirmed to be working, we will test it. So let's now put delete user 5. That will be Jared teaching. Let's go ahead and see if that works. It looks like it's requiring the table name, as all the other Lambda functions have done, due to this line up here, which is asking for the environment variable. Let's scroll down in the Lambda console, add table name, and say users, and save. Then let's test it again. And I'm sure you can imagine what the error is going to be. We are missing an IAM permission for DynamoDB delete item.